You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 28th of March. This is James Spann. A beautiful day today. And if you like the weather today, I think you'll like the weather through the weekend. But some changes coming up early next week. Maybe some strong storms by late Tuesday or Tuesday night. Here is the upper air look today. And we have the trough axis now east of Alabama. And we have a very dry northwest flow aloft. And we have a cloudless sky statewide. That's a visible satellite view. Got some clouds on the Atlantic coast, the closest rain on the coast of the Carolinas from Charleston north. But again, we're going to be dry through Sunday. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s over the northern half of the state. Birmingham at 66, Huntsville 63. We have low 70s in South Alabama. And we have warmer days coming up, many spots. In fact, just about everybody should be at or over 80 by Easter Sunday. There's our watch warning map this afternoon. Flash flood watches for parts of eastern North Carolina, up into southeast Virginia. Also flash flood watches for the upper coast of New England. And a few scattered winter weather and wind issues out west. No severe storms expected through tonight. That's the severe weather outlook. That's tomorrow, and this is Saturday. But again, looking down the road, let's go out to day 5. This is Monday. And the Storm Prediction Center has defined a risk of severe storms from Dallas to Kansas City, Tulsa, St. Louis, near Indianapolis. The areas in yellow on that map. And then on day 6, which is Tuesday, and Tuesday night, a risk of severe storms defined for parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, and some of the adjacent states. And we note that severe weather risk area for Tuesday and Tuesday night does extend into North Alabama, but I will say there's a whole lot of uncertainty here. There's a very good chance we'll have no severe storms at all, but we'll see. Once we get within 60 hours, as we often say here, we'll have the good convection-allowing model data, the high-resolution data. And, of course, we've got the synoptic data now. We'll take a look at that in just a second. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And, again, we're dry through Monday. This will be late Tuesday, Tuesday night, and early Wednesday of next week. Rain amounts for South Alabama under 1/2 inch. For North Alabama, 1/2 to 1 inch. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got a trough off the Atlantic coast. Again, we have a northwest flow aloft and a beautiful day. Now, tomorrow morning, some of the colder pockets could see 30s. Keep that in mind. Maybe a touch of light frost. The day will be sunny with a high in the low and mid-70s. A big warm-up, just a beautiful day. Saturday could not be better. The sky sunny. We start the day around 50. The high Saturday, mid to upper 70s. Easter Sunday, warm and dry. Highs will likely hit 80 or higher, just about across all of Alabama. Monday, we're still dry. We note that surface low under 1,000 millibars over central Kansas. North and west of the surface low, snow. Places like Denver, up into parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota. And south and east of the surface low, there could be some strong, maybe severe storms through parts of east Oklahoma, north Texas, northwest Arkansas. So let's go to Tuesday. The surface low is near Detroit with a trailing front. And again, the main dynamic support that main surface low pretty far to the north. And there's a little instability involved with this in advance of the front. So listen, this is the early part of April. Climatology supports the chance of strong to severe storms, but I would say with the support so far north, a little iffy on the severe weather threat here. But again, once we get closer, we'll have a much better idea of the risk. But again, this is the projection Tuesday afternoon, so it looks like the better chance of showers and storms Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night of next week. And then Wednesday, we get into a dry slot. The weather noticeably cooler. The high Tuesday should be upper 70s, and by Wednesday here, the high dropping back in the 60s with a good north flow. And a week from today, Thursday, April 4th, got a big upper low that's east of the New England coast, trough coming into Texas, but we are in a very dry air mass. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, April 7th. Got ridging in place here, and if that's the case, we are relatively warm and dry. We'll check rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean a little over 2 inches between now and the 12th of April. Here's a look at temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. 72 tomorrow, 77 on Saturday, then low 80s likely for Easter Sunday and Monday. And then upper 70s Tuesday. Then we drop off in the mid-60s by Wednesday. So again, after the thunderstorms late Tuesday and Tuesday night, we'll have a shot of cooler air. At this point, no sign of any frost or freeze concerns for the latter half of next week. And I still think we have probably one more to go. I say this every year. But if you want to plant something that might be harmed by a freeze or frost, the advice every year, wait until tax day, April 15th, to be on the safe side. But the latest guidance just in, hot off the presses, 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for April 5th through April 11th. And if this works out, temperatures here would be above average, below average out across the western third of the country. Let's roll it. Children's of Alabama Kid Cam, Moulton Middle School, Lawrence County, 5th graders in the lunchroom. Good crowd today. We had such a great time. I like that Red Devils, Lawrence County Red Devils shirt there. But they were a lot of fun today. 5th graders are just absolutely great. The teachers were so good. The kids were great. And we talked a lot about science, thunderstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes. It was good. So again, to all my buddies in the 5th grade at Moulton Middle School, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. So tomorrow, headed down to Perry County. See all my friends at Breakthrough Charter School in Marion. Love going to see the kids there. That's a great school. And then Saturday, back in Moulton for a book signing at The Grind, local coffee shop there. The local Grind, that'll be from 9:30 until 12:30. And we're going to have a lot of fun. We've got all the shirts and hats and our children's books, the Benny and Chipper series, The Wonder of Thunder, Prepared Not Scared. All you can do is pray, Weathering Life. We have so much fun, and we love to see folks there. So again, Moulton, Saturday, the local Grind coffee shop from 9:30 until 12:30. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock, right across the hall in Studio A. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.